In this video, I'm going to show you how to get DoorDash promo codes. Now, there's actually multiple ways that we can go ahead and approach this, but in my opinion, the best way to get DoorDash promo codes is to actually subscribe to the DoorDash mailing list, and then occasionally they'll go ahead and actually send out promo codes. And basically, you'll be the first ones to have those promo codes, and you could use them to get great deals. So, in order to actually enroll in the mailing list, what you want to do is you want to open up the DoorDash application, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says Me. From here, go ahead and select on settings, then go ahead and scroll down until you see notifications. Then from here, what you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and turn all of these on, and it's really important that you have these on. And for example, store offers right over here. So if you want to receive notifications about offers that you could use in specific stores, then this is definitely something that you actually want to go ahead and turn on. And this is incredibly useful, and it has came in clutch for me multiple times as well. So it's honestly like a really good and reliable way to actually get free promo codes as soon as possible. Another way that you guys can get some promo codes is to actually try the Dash Pass subscription over here. So if this is something you're interested in, then definitely go ahead and feel free to consider the Dash Pass right over here. And you can go ahead and start the Dash Pass trial right over here for around $10 a month, which is honestly quite a lot of money. But if you are a student, there's also student plans as well. So that's honestly pretty cool. But yeah, those are the two main ways that you guys can go ahead and actually get some DoorDash promo codes. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.